Okay, in today's video, a little bit of an announcement. The HTMR guns are now going to be distributed in Europe by Aquanife. Okay, so if you live anywhere in Europe and you want to save a little bit on shipping and any taxes that you may encounter going from country to country or whatever, then just contact Aquanife directly and you can purchase an HTMR gun through them. So I'll put the information in the video description and also on my website in the description of the HTMR gun. I'll put the contact info for Aquanife. All right, so Aquanife is located in Denmark, so that'll give you an idea of, where you are located to them and if it makes sense to purchase from them. All right, so that's it for this video. The information's in the video description and on my website. Thanks for watching.